Hello everyone. As we celebrate International Day, please allow me to talk about my country, the Philippines. First, let me tell you 3 facts about the Philippines. The current president of the Philippines is President Rodrigo Duterte. The Philippines is made up of 7,641 islands. The Philippines has more than 170 dialects and Tagalog is one of them. Now let's talk about some of the Filipino dishes. One of the many traditional dishes in the Philippines is the adobo, as you can see in the picture. Adobo is a dark stew of chicken or other meat cooked in soy sauce, vinegar, crushed garlic, bay leaf, and black peppercorns. Chicken adobo is one of my absolute favorites. Next is Sinigang. Sinigang is a sour soup native to the Philippines. Third is Kare-Kare. Kare-Kare is a type of Filipino stew with a rich and thick peanut sauce. It is a popular dish in the Philippines, served during special occasions. Now let's talk about the national dress of the Philippines. As you can see, I'm wearing the Barong Tagalog. Barong Tagalog, or simply Barong, is a menswear and a national dress of the Philippines. It is referred to as the Barong ng Tagalog, which means dress of the Tagalog. It is traditionally made with sheer textiles woven from pina or abaca. Thank you everyone for watching. This is Adam wishing you to stay safe and healthy.